Rowe Unity Team is an after-school program that meets weekly to support each other
and to create school awareness and acceptance of all genders and orientations,
and to plan activities to increase school-wide awareness and inclusion for the LGBTQ community.
Unity Team is our version of a GSA, an after-school group for LGBTQIA+ students and allies.
The Unity group meets Thursdays after school with me and Miss Ward.
People who attend Unity Team are those who believe strongly in creating a safe school for every person in our building.
Unity Team is a space for students to hang out. All students are welcome.
Repeat, all students are welcome.
In order to participate, please sign up for the Rowe After School program. See Miss Ward if you have any questions.
And we'll see you at Unity.